Thank you so much for joining us into yet another beautiful trading session. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for over 3 years now. And when I do my live streams, especially my YouTube page, soon I may be shifting to TikTok. Okay. But essentially, what I do is I share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action in hopes that whatever I share to you guys, it will be able to help you out as traders to really identify where the probability of price is going to be heading to and only focus on that potential direction, that directional bias, because it will help you learn the market movements a lot better. So that is what truly my hope is now for this essential YouTube live stream journey that I'm on. So if that sounds interesting, guys, sit back, relax. Let's get into today's session because there's a lot of beautiful opportunities, as I promised you guys yesterday, we will be seeing today. Okay, first off, I'll need to update you guys about the crypto space. So this was a oh my god, I'm so happy for this trade. It's been quite some time since I get a 300 plus percent ROI. Based on how much I trade, not the capital, based on how much I trade. That's how the crypto wallet works. So this is one of those trades that gave me that 300 plus percent. It is not really about that wow, so much of high ROI, but it's about this 1 to 4. I really always focus on 1 to 3 max. Okay, not I force it out, but that's how I find my sweet spot now. So whenever I get more than that, I really feel it's a very 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 big blessing for me. Okay, I can aim for 1 to 4, 1 to 5, but I feel very comfortable where I am. And then if you guys watch yesterday live stream, I shared with you guys my actual game plan. Okay, for funded, not personal, for funded is 3% every 2 weeks. So that 3% based on the capital is more than enough. Really, just more than enough. So the bigger the capital you are, guys, 3% is extremely big. I sorry, not 3%, 3R, not 3%. So whatever amount you risk, let's say you risk 2% of the account, 3% is a bit high, 2% I would say of the account per trade. So 3 R's. So imagine, just imagine, okay, if you have like a 200K account, okay, 1% is 2,000, 2% is 4,000, 4,000 times 3, 12,000 USD, guys, within 2 weeks now. Yeah, trust me, achievable. Okay, with the right mindset, right set of skills, achievable. And if you guys join my live stream, achievable. Okay, guys. So just joking, huh? So this is one of the very beautiful trades now for Solana. Really, I'm very very happy. There is another trade target, but like I shared yesterday, I am more than enough just aiming to here because usually I go for 1 to 3. This is more than 1 to 3, so a lot more higher than my usual risk to reward. So I'm more than happy to just take it here. Okay, this is the very good example of being greedy versus really focusing on your quality of your trades. Okay, that will play a big difference. So imagine, just imagine, if I was aiming for here. I'm not saying it won't go here. Probably, maybe you still have a chance to go here. No, maybe we're just coming back to this level to use this zone as a trampoline, and then we may start to go up higher. Is a possibility. Okay, but how do we know that? We're not sure, right? Okay, so we will feel wow, trade going very high, and after that, you see, it starts to go down. Now we're literally nearby break even. So imagine seeing like that crazy amount of ROI and then all the way going back to 0%. Yeah, so that is the thing trader have to be very strong with, because I'm not saying aiming for the second target is a bad idea. Definitely no. But how strong is your stomach? Okay, for me, like I said, I realize my sweet spot is 1 to 3 or 1 to 2. Okay, usually I understand that market is okay to move this distance whenever I see a trading opportunity, as long as I understand who is in control. So that's my sweet spot lah. Okay, everybody trades differently. No, there's no right or wrong. So an update for Dogecoin. See guys, yesterday remember I highlighted that Dogecoin was already ready for a bullish opportunity, but I didn't enter because why? I was focused on Solana. Okay, so both of the TP targets that we set yesterday, again guys, all of this is all captured live. Okay, everything I share here is not I go and put the targets today and then I talking about it. You guys can watch yesterday lesson. All of this I shared to you guys before the move even happened. I'll be making like some shorts, some reels about it, just to for those that maybe are new. So if you guys like, yeah, I don't want to watch a 40-minute live. Okay, I understand. It's okay. So I will make that so you guys can see lah the before and after, before and after. I even posted one today on my Instagram and YouTube page. Do check it out. So Dogecoin went beautifully well to the target. BTC, same thing. Okay. See, this is why I always aim just the closest TP point for all-time highs, because I do know how the market will choose to react. Oh, anyhow, did you guys watch the moon today? So beautiful. Oh my god. The moon was big today, and then it's like the whole moon, no, like full moon. It's so white. Ah, so pretty, man. It made me so happy just seeing the moon. So BTC also went to our target. Again, everything was shared yesterday. ETH was amazing lah. As you look at it, guys. Okay, yesterday we captured this also. You guys can watch yesterday live stream. Because we live streamed during London session yesterday, quite early, a live stream. So all of the TP targets that we highlighted yesterday, everything has been taken out by ETH. And ETH, uh, no, I wouldn't say we may start to move higher or not. I'm not 100% sure yet. But I'm not going to give you guys any trading ideas for crypto space today, because crypto already played out all of the ideas that we had yesterday. So let crypto rest first, and then let's see tomorrow or what, once we understand who is in control. Okay? So I want to highlight to you guys now about Forex side. So this one I will highlight to you guys later on. So this was a trade that I lost today, okay, for the Forex side. But I covered it back with this one, covering back with this one, because I entered two trades today. Euro USD is playing out very, very beautifully lah. Okay, so it's just a very, very beautiful move all the way towards the downside. I'm very close to my TP range. It's more than 1 to 2 lah. So it's almost 1 to 3. I will see lah if price reach here, because I didn't set my TP here. Okay, I set my TP at 1 to 3. So it was let me see where's the 1 to 3. Okay, this is here. So I set my TP level here. Okay, but I set an alarm here, if you can realize, because once price goes to this alarm, I want to see how price will start to react based on smaller time frames. If I'm seeing a lot of bulls starting to kick in, then I will just exit the trade, because already reached my minimum 1 to 2, which I'm very happy, and I already covered the losses now. Okay, for the AUD CAD, I wouldn't say already covered, because the trade is still running right now. Okay, so I'll update you guys lah. Hopefully it goes well. Euro AUD. So Euro AUD is a trading opportunity where I highlighted yesterday also. We are still waiting essentially this one. I saw a candle came inside of this zone. You can see a candle wick came inside, and then we start to saw rejection. But this isn't enough for me to identify, even though I see this rejection move towards the downside lah. I would like to see, you guys know lah the way how I trade. I always wait for price to come back inside the zone, and I said price has to trade within the zone. If you realize, that is what Euro USD did very beautifully. See, okay, quite a stretch come. It trade inside of the zone. This is what I like to see, and I'll find an entry based on reaction. And you see the move is very, very beautiful towards the downside. All right, so that's for Euro USD. Euro AUD, same thing. I'm just waiting. I still have my alarm here, but once it come here, so I will reanalyze again based on the bigger time frames and understand if this is still a good opportunity or not to enter for sell. Euro GPY. Okay, so guys, finally we have a potential opportunity. This one, remember the jump, the market that actually jumped, during Monday. Yeah. So this is one of it. We finally have a zone. Price. How to say? We did kind of come and then retest this level here lah. But this again, like I said, this is not enough. This is basically just touching the zone. I want to see price come inside. Okay. Trade a little bit, okay lah, maybe a bit more inside. I would like to see at least until here. Okay, price come inside, trade a little bit, and then once I start to see bulls inside of the market, I want to focus on buying opportunities. I also want to highlight to you guys that, do you know Euro JPY, we are currently at all-time high also. Yeah, Euro JPY is also currently at all-time high, guys. So all-time highs, you guys know, okay, I don't particularly like trade, but considering gold has been really strong recently and keep on pushing higher, I believe euro also will focus on the same way, because euro and gold have some similarity. So if gold is continuously starting to push higher, right, based on that understanding in the correlation part, I can focus on buying opportunity, but I won't be focusing like very long term anything. See, 1 to 2. Okay, my bare minimum. That is what I'm focusing on right now. But it depends on once price come inside of this level, what am I looking at? Okay, so this is a pending. AUDGPY, another opportunity. Today a lot of opportunity arise already, guys. Okay, for the ones that jump very high. Okay, so see price come inside. This is enough or not? Not enough. Price is not trading within. Price just touch this zone. See, can you see? Once we make a reaction, see now we're starting to see move down again. Again, I could be wrong. Huh? We can suddenly see this happen also, guys. Yeah, like this, and then start to see this. This can happen, and I'm okay to be wrong. Okay, because I based on the way I trade, this is not how I should enter, because this is related to the loss that I took today, which I'll highlight to you guys later. All right, so I'll be waiting for price to come inside of the zone. This one is for AUDJPY. We might have an opportunity today, to be honest, most of this, because we are 1 hour ahead of New York session, right? New York session definitely can push it inside of the level. This one same thing, guys, all same thing. Okay, so price, okay, basically price come inside the zone. We consider this one as trading. Okay, price did trade within the zone. You can see based on smaller time frames. Okay, but not enough. You see price has come, okay, a bit, okay, let me start to move up. I'm not seeing any reactions. Okay, a move away from the zone. I would like to see a powerful reaction. So this one has a high probability lah, to focus on buying opportunities. Okay, for NZD JPY. If you guys are wondering, okay, where is the potential TP levels? We have a lot of TP zones that we can potentially be aiming for. Okay, the closest one definitely this one here. Okay, we have this one here. Okay, then this one here. Up too high. Okay, we have this one here. This one no, and taken out already. Then we have this one here. Okay, so I will give these three first for now, and then we will see how price will start to react lah. Okay, so personally for me, let me drag this a bit. I would just like to wait and see if price is showing more potential bullish momentum or not. If yes, then I might find an entry opportunity. Okay, and focus for my 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, depending. I always, like I said, not always. I do set my TP at 1 to 2. Okay, uh, but if the trade is a very high confluence rate for me, like this one is quite high confluence rate, I would set the TP point at 1 to 3, but I set alarm at 1 to 2, because once the price reach 1 to 2, I will want to go to smaller time frames and understand the behavior of price. Am I seeing very strong bearish momentum? In this case, bearish momentum, because I want to focus on bullish momentum. So if I start to see that, is it just a probability of a pullback? If yes, means until where am I okay to see that pullback go to? If it goes below that, should I close or not? It also depends based on bigger time frames. What are they telling me? How are they aligning? Okay, all of it is basically related to alignment. Okay, so that's what my game plan is for this trade. So my TP will be 1 2 3. Essentially, I think I can aim here lah. Oh, it's a bit higher. Okay, yeah. Essentially, it'll be up to here lah. The TP3 lah. Alright, so let's see how this trade. Still, I'm waiting for price to come inside this level. USD CAD also same thing. Great bullish opportunity, but same lah. Not yet. I see price come inside a little bit. Okay, go outside. Come inside a little bit, go outside. This is not trading within, no guys. Okay, this is just touching. Come in, not touching lah. Jumping. Okay, come jump on a trampoline. You jump on a trampoline. I want to see it come inside and trade a little bit. Again, if you guys still confused, what does that mean? This one. See, come inside, trade a little bit. This is trading. Okay, we see price action within. You see like these levels or not, these rejections all on, these candles all not very concerning yet as of now, but if I start to see like these rejections during New York session, that's a little bit concerning. Okay, so I will reconsider if I should still hold up to this point, or I can just close off, because like I said, it already reached my bare minimum. Okay, 1 to 2 is here, so it reached my bare minimum already. Let's see later I will decide. Okay, we speak about, let's now we're speaking about USDCAD, is it? Yep, USDCAD, is it? You can see this move down, right? So it's a good thing. I'm just essentially right now waiting and hoping price will come inside to trade within for me to find an entry opportunity. Again, guys, all of these options that I'm highlighting, I won't be entering all of them. I already entered this one, okay, which is doing very well. I will see which one comes first and which one is giving me a very strong indication to for buys. Okay, based on the buys lah. Okay, the one for sells lah. So which one comes in first? That's the one I'll be focusing on. I won't be entering all because then I'll be over leveraging the account. I'll be over risking. Remember, for funded, if you guys are taking funded, you guys have to watch out for your drawdown. Very, very important thing. Okay, your max drawdown is like 5%. You shouldn't go to the max. They say max, don't go to the max. Okay, so you must be very careful with that. This one, yeah, this one you guys can see lah. I'm essentially waiting for a zone. I do have a target point here. I just put this target zone here, but I'm not seeing a potential zone. I think I may have missed this opportunity because I did see. Wait, let me find it. Okay, I did see a zone here where price came, break above, and then this is kind of like the retest level, and then we start to see a move towards upside. This is the pullback, and then potentially we're gonna have a move towards the upside. So I may have missed this opportunity. You see price come inside, see price did trade within this level, and then we start to see powerful reaction towards the upside. But I would not have entered because based on smaller time frame, there's one very important key element that didn't happen within this level here. Okay, based on the way how I trade, something didn't happen here, so I would not have entered regardless. So in that sense, maybe I think we still have an opportunity. Maybe price will still come down to this zone. Let's see. Okay, but nevertheless, today we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 opportunities so far. Yes, that is waiting to unwrap itself. This one don't have yet. This one was just bearish. I highlighted this yesterday, so bearish. There's no zone. You can see this is the one where price started yesterday. We just had a powerful move down. No zone created here. If there was a zone created here, means this would be a very nice entry opportunity. Very, very beautiful entry opportunity towards the downside, but there wasn't a zone here. Okay, so that's why no options here, but it is bearish as of now. So this one is not really important right now. I move it down. USD NZ, it doesn't speak already. Okay, USD JPY. This one I just want to highlight okay, it's bullish, very beautifully moving towards the upside, very, very beautifully moving, but no zone, guys. There hasn't been a zone that has been created. Sorry, there was, I should say there was. This is the one. Yeah, this is the one. So essentially, this was the pullback, but I wouldn't have entered this because I prefer price, like you guys know, come inside, trade a little bit, and then move towards the upside. Okay, this is just my own personal preference. You see, essentially this is like trampling, come use and then trampling and then go away. So I would not have entered this, but definitely this is a zone lah. So probably we can potentially focus on this opportunity. Let me see. Is the targets that we can be focusing on for this one? This one is so wow. So quite a bit of targets here. We almost reached this level here, so I don't want to use this as a target. This I can consider as a target. Okay, this one considered target. This one can be considered as target. This one also can be considered as a target. Okay, so essentially these are the targets lah. I would like personally only lah, it doesn't have to happen, to see price come inside here, trade a little bit, and then start to show bullish momentum move. Then I can be focusing on buying opportunities. This is personally what I would like to see. So I'll just get this ready for my understanding only. This one is a good opportunity, so I can aim all the way to here. So let's go 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. Again, guys, I put like this doesn't mean I enter here. Okay, I cannot stress this enough. When I put this here, I'm still waiting for price to show me something inside this level. So I might change the entry to here, depend on what I see. Okay, but the stops will always be below this level, and then 1 to 3. Okay, if my 1 to 3 is very nearby this target here, then maybe I'll pull until the target. It depends. Okay, but essentially, this one I will aim 1 to 3, considering on the overall bullish momentum is showing very strong lah. Okay, so that's for USD, JPY, and then last but not least, AUD, USD. Okay, so this one you guys know lah. I'm mostly more fixed on a bullish momentum. Okay, because this is the way how price overall is showing me the directional bias. So I'm not interested in any selling opportunity. Okay, right now even though it is bearish, I don't think that is really who is in control. We may not get any opportunity for ADUSD for this week. Again, too soon to say, I know, because now only is Tuesday. If you realize, now only is Tuesday. So we could definitely see an opportunity arise maybe Wednesday, maybe tomorrow as Wednesday. Sorry, I should just say tomorrow. Tomorrow or Thursday or even Friday. But if Friday got means, I won't enter because why? Because end of the week, I prefer to focus more on cryptocurrencies. Hello, sir. Sorry, just joined. Hello, Lion. So long no see. Thank you so much for joining. Don't have to be sorry. Live stream, you guys can just replay. No problem. No problem. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah. So coming back to this one, we might find an opportunity tomorrow or Thursday. But if Friday, I will still highlight to you guys the opportunity. But I personally won't enter unless the opportunity shows me an entry in Asia. Then at least I can trade until New York. Okay. If it doesn't, if it shows me entry opportunity in New York, I will hold off and then I will trade Monday. But don't worry, don't worry. I will let you guys know lah. Okay. Okay. Let's just go into gold and jump to see. Oh, almost 4,000, guys. Almost 4,000. Okay. I actually considered, to enter for buying opportunity here. But I didn't because you know me lah. I'm a zone guy. I like to find zones. So I didn't find any potential zone. Like this one's all no, this moves down all no. There was zones, here. This one all there is proper zone. So you wanna know where's the zone? The zones were here. Okay, so this was the zone. So price came inside the zone. So this would be a definitely beautiful entry opportunity. Look at it. Really, really definitely beautiful entry opportunity. Okay, to be honest, here now, here had lah, but the zone got disrespected. Okay, I wait had no, no, sorry guys. Here they don't have a zone. Here we had a mini one, very mini one. Okay, we did a mini zone, so we saw price came up. Okay, this is the wick that came inside. I don't think that, let me check, is there an entry opportunity here? No, for me no lah. Personally for me no, because like I said, this is best using this as a trampoline. Oh, this is a good example. This is what I mean by even though I like to see price come inside, trade a little bit and then show reaction, it does not mean that the trampoline effect, it won't cause price to move. It will. You see this one? Because that's trading, guys. Nothing is set in stone. You see? Come, use it as a trampoline base, and then it should be move. It never trade inside. It never even closed anything inside. It just touched it. So this can happen. Okay? And it's not wrong. There's no set in rules for trading. It's just the way how we understand the market based on price action and how the price choose to react in certain levels lah. Okay, but definitely this is a zone and the zone did do its work lah. Okay, so this would be an entry. I mean a potential entry, but for me no, this is a really good entry lah for me because it came inside, we trade inside the zone some more, and then we shoot all the way up. Okay, so that's it for gold side. So guys, just remember lah. Okay, sorry. I need to highlight this one. Okay, this is the trade that I lost today. This one is AUD CAD. So the reason being, do you guys remember I highlighted right just now? This is the zone that is being created by price. This is actually a very good bullish opportunity earlier on. Okay, but now no, now is not. Okay, so ignore this. This is not the good bullish opportunity now. So price when came inside, okay, I went into smaller time frames. Okay, watch carefully. Price touched the zone, trampoline. It come inside, not considered trade. You see, it's at the edge of the zone. We came inside, all the way go out. So we never truly choose to trade, and we are in the higher topper part of the zone. Okay, So this is where I found an entry opportunity. I entered briefly here for a while only in TP. Then I saw price coming all the way down here. I closed off here because I, based on bigger time frames, all I will reanalyze and then I understood. Okay, probability of this zone holding is not good, so I closed off the trade. I closed off early, but I'm happy I did close off early now. I thought after I close off, I wanted to re-enter, so I wanted to find another entry opportunity because this is a good level. Price consider trade a lot already inside the zone, but price did not respect this level because you see price trade below, so that means this zone is invalidated and this is not a bullish opportunity anymore. So these targets all ultimate, I'll leave it there. Okay, because never mind targets, so I leave it there because overall the bias is still, to be honest, moving towards the upside level for me. Okay, I just need to wait for a while. Maybe on Thursday or Friday, we might see a shift in the trend to move towards the upside. Same like this. So I will put this with this one. Say AUD lah. Essentially, this week AUD is the pair that we may need to wait for a while to find an opportunity. Last week was Euro. Euro was mostly in the consolidation phase, but this week Euro is beautiful. It's just like that lah. Huh? That is how it is. So find out which is the pair. If consolidating, don't try to trade that currency pair. If euro means okay, try to prevent euro, unless it's versus not USD or CAD. Like sometimes if it versus a very small currency country like JPY or whatever, you can still see good trends because it versus a very small currency. But it versus similarly the same level power currency like USD is very powerful. But CAD is okay, so quite powerful. So you can see it struggling a bit. All right, a little bit fun fact for you lah to learn. Okay, so essentially, I'm happy with this entry for Euro USD, which covered back the losses for today. I'm just essentially now waiting for all of these potential opportunities to happen in the market potentially today because New York session is about to kick in. So I will be glued to the market today and focus on which one shows me. I think this one also came back inside already, guys. Okay, so which one shows me a potential buying or selling opportunity depending on how the market is reacting in certain levels. Okay, so those, again, I guess crypto space now nothing much. Everything has been taken out yesterday. I will make your shorts about it. Okay, so do stay tuned. Oh, see, it's starting to move towards the upside. Okay, nice. Yeah, but and nevertheless, guys, we will definitely find more cryptocurrency opportunities for this week. I really feel crypto is in a very good spot right now because last week or so we find quite a few opportunities. This week, you see, just on Monday we highlighted a few, and then Monday itself all the TP all taken already. So I feel crypto will be very good also for this week. Let's see that. Another beautiful week, definitely for trading. So guys, I think that will be all. If you guys are interested to find out how I do my personal analysis like this, okay, how I give you guys my predictions, how I understand we should be focusing on buys instead of sells or vice versa, is all based on my experience. And I do have my own personal course as well. It's a basically 6-week course whereby even if you guys are a total newbie in trading, it does not matter. Within 6 weeks time, you guys will be able to analyze and understand all the things that I'm doing, and you guys will be able to do it on your own as well. So if you guys are interested in that course, you can reach out to me. I do have my WhatsApp link in the description below, and also my Instagram handle if you guys want to follow me there. I do post about trading like there quite frequently. And you guys can also reach out to me through Instagram Live if you don't know WhatsApp me to find out more details about the course. Okay, guys. So I think I'll end the live stream here. I appreciate every single one of you that has joined the live stream. Do remember to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will catch you all amazing, beautiful people in the very next live stream. Stay safe, traders. And a very good night. Goodbye, guys.